happy, sad. She is very happy today. Not sad. Good, bad. The food is very good, but the waiter is bad. Hot, cold. The coffee is hot. The ice is cold. Young, old. The baby is young. My grandfather is old. Big, small. The elephant is big. The mouse is small. Old, new. This car is old. I want a new car. The opposite of big is small. Good, bad. Happy, sad. Old, new. In, out. Come in the room. Go out of the house. Up, down. Look up at the sky. Look down at the floor. Left, right. Turn left here. Turn right there. Near, far. My house is near. The moon is far. What are the opposites of? In is out, and left is right. High, low. Near, far. Soft, hard. The pillow is soft. The rock is hard. Full, empty. The glass is full. The box is empty. Heavy, light. The rock is heavy. The feather is light. Dry, wet. The towel is dry. The rain made me wet. Cheap, expensive. Water is cheap. Gold is expensive. Soft, hard. Full, empty. Heavy, light. Dry, wet. Cheap, expensive.